Welcome back to QuizMeOut. We make quizzes that are smart enough for adults and always safe for kids. Today, you'll face 30 fill-in-the-blank questions about animals. Read carefully, think fast, and choose wisely. Don't forget to share your score in the comments. Let's begin. 1. Is the most popular pet in the world? Tiger or dog? Dog. A dog is the most popular pet, with over 470 million kept worldwide. A tiger is a wild animal and cannot be kept as a pet. 2. Cats mainly hunt in houses and farms. Cows or mice? Mice. Cats help control mouse populations. Cows are farm animals, not prey for cats. 3. The main source of the world's milk is the cow or horse. Cow. A cow gives about 81% of the world's milk supply. A horse also makes milk, but it is very rare and not common for people. 4. Ducks have feet that help them swim. Feet with claws or feet with skin between toes. Feet with skin between toes. Ducks have feet with skin between toes that work like paddles in water. Sharp feet with claws are not made for swimming. 5. Rabbits use their long to detect danger. Tails or ears? Ears. Rabbits have long ears that can turn almost 270 degrees to hear sounds. Their tails are short and cannot detect danger. 6. On most farms, lays eggs every day. Pig or chicken? Chicken. A chicken can lay 250 to 300 eggs per year, or up to 1,000 in its life. A pig is a mammal and gives birth to babies, not eggs. 7. Dolphins are intelligent mammals or fish? Mammals. Dolphins are mammals that breathe air. Fish breathe with gills. 8. Penguins cannot, but they can swim well. Crawl or fly? Fly. Penguins cannot fly, but they can swim up to 36 kilometers. They can crawl and walk on land, so crawl is not correct. Quick break. Find odd one out. Rest done. Challenge continues. 9. Horses use their strong to run fast. Wings or legs? Legs. Horses run with strong legs. They do not have wings at all. 10. Makes honey from flowers. Fly or bee? Bee. Bees collect nectar and make honey. Flies cannot make honey. 11. Sheep are covered with thick feathers or wool. Wool. Sheep grow wool, which people use to make clothes. Feathers belong to birds, not sheep. 12. A pet is often kept in a water tank. Snake or goldfish? Goldfish. Goldfish are among the most common pet fish and kept in water tanks. Snakes live on land, not in tanks. Quick break. Find odd one out. Ready for round 2? Let's begin. 13. The tallest animal on land is the giraffe or elephant. Giraffe. A giraffe can reach up to 6 meters. An elephant is the heaviest land animal, but only about 3 or 4 meters tall. 14. The ship of the desert is the horse or camel. Camel. A camel survives 7 days without water in deserts. A horse cannot live like this. 15. The only mammals that can fly are mice or bats. Bats. Bats are the only mammals that truly fly. Mice cannot fly. 16. Sharks have no in their bodies. Bones or teeth? Bones. Sharks have skeletons made of cartilage, not bones. They do have teeth and can have around 300 teeth at a time. A kangaroo carries its baby in a pouch, baby bag, or basket. Pouch. Baby kangaroos, joeys, grow inside the mother's pouch for 6 to 9 months. A basket is not a part of the body. 18. Owls can rotate their up to 270 degrees. Legs or heads? Heads. Owls turn their heads 270 degrees. Legs cannot turn like that. 19. Polar bears live in the Arctic or Sahara. Arctic. Polar bears are found only in the Arctic region. The Sahara is a hot desert with no polar bears. 20. Monkeys often use their for balance and swinging. Tails or beaks? Tails. Many monkeys use their tails to balance or swing. A beak belongs to birds, not monkeys. 21. Crocodiles live in water and on sky or land. Land. Crocodiles live on land and in water. They do not live in the sky. 22. A rabbit's never stop growing. Teeth or ears? Teeth. A rabbit's teeth grow about 2 or 3 millimeters each week. Their ears grow but do not keep growing forever. Find odd one out? Here comes the final round. Think carefully before you answer. Let's go! 23. The fastest land animal is the cheetah or horse? Cheetah. A cheetah can run up to 100 km/h. A horse is fast too, but usually only 40 to 70 km/h. 24. A hummingbird flaps about 80 times per second. Wings or legs? Wings. A hummingbird's wings move about 80 times per second. Its legs are small and not for flying. 25. An octopus has hearts. 3 or 1? Three. An octopus has 3 hearts, 2 for the gills and 1 for the body. Humans have only 1 heart. 26. A starfish has no arms or brain? Brain. A starfish has no brain and uses a nerve ring to control movement. It does have arms. 27. Whales breathe air through a blowhole or gill? Blowhole. Whales breathe with a blowhole on top of their head. Fish use gills, but whales do not. 28. A parrot can human words. Repeat or write? Repeat. Parrots can repeat human words. They cannot write. 29. Kangaroos cannot move forward or backward. Backward. Kangaroos cannot easily move backward because of their strong tails and legs. They move forward by hopping. Before the final question, here's a tough one. Humans share about % of their DNA with chimpanzees. 8% or 50%? Use your brain power and drop your answer in the comments. Now, the last question for today. 30. A penguin's body is covered with waterproof feathers or scales? Feathers. Penguins have feathers that keep water out. Scales are for reptiles and fish, not birds. Well done! You made it to the end. That was fast. So, what was your final score? Let me know your score out of 30 in the comments below. Thank you so much for playing. If you had fun, please hit that like button and subscribe for more challenges. See you next time. Bye!